Hi, everybody. Beth Meyerson here. I am so grateful to you for being part of the AMP team. And I just want to provide a quick video to our next step. We are at step two. Thanks for participating in conversations with us about the concepts that matter to you when you're thinking about improving methadone prescribing. We are at this step now where we're confirming that we heard you correctly and some connections between these concepts. So we're going to use something called a Figma Map. It's an online mapping software where you can click on a link and get right there and move some stuff around, add stuff, scratch stuff, whatever. You will obviously have seen the email because that's what linked you to this quick little ditty here, video ditty. Let me show you. When you click the Figma Map, or link, you're going to get to a place that looks just like this. And you're going to say, holy crap, what is this? There's some directions on the left side. Your most important tools, your select tool and your hand tool. If you click the hand tool, you can move stuff around. If this is way small, because it is for me, I'm super old, go down to the right where it says click, 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 and you can start to see that this map is oriented around good treatment, what it is, good treatment, how to deliver it, barriers, individual social structures to good treatment, and empowering prescribers. Remember, this is not about fixing clinics, although clearly it will. It's all about helping prescribers really know how to prescribe methadone and to do it well. And so what you can see are concepts here that we have added based on your conversation, good treatment, normalizing methadone. It's really all connected together. You're going to move all the way through this. I actually made a PDF of this so that you could take a look at it. Apparently, two people commented here, and I want to make sure that they're hidden or don't worry so much about them. You can get on here and you can create new things. So if you say, oh, all this is great, and I want to create a new concept, what you just do is as you're on the map, and you're on your arrow tool, you're going to click on the map and you're going to press the letter R as in red wagon. And that is going to put a box here. This one's white, but you can make it any other color you want. And you can say, and you want to use large writing, and you can say addition here, or whatever it is that you want to be writing about the addition. You can also scroll with your mouse to get up and down. So you can say, new idea, and it might be related to good treatment, for example, and you're adding this in. Now you want to connect it to good treatment. So you're going to go down to the menu at the bottom and you're going to see these little arrows, and you're going to take a connector and you're going to connect it just like that. And you're done. And it saves what you do. And if you accidentally delete this map, well, you just need to tell me right away by texting me, and we'll get the old one back. So this is how you do it. You might just want to read this. You may just want to look at the PDF, or you may just want to tell me what you think as you look at the PDF, and that's perfectly fine. There are especially a couple of key questions in the email. The first is, how do these concepts jive with what you understand to be the case? Are these connections right? Did we understand this correctly? What's missing that you want to add? What is not appropriate and not necessary? You can tell me this in an email. You can add this on the map. You can make some notes yourself. You'll notice Figma, you can write all over it. Go ahead. I'll be there every day to kind of organize some stuff. And if you have trouble and you just want to meet on Zoom and work on this together, I can do that too. Just send me an email. So thanks again for being part of this, and let me know if you have any trouble. We're hoping that you will have visited the map and offer your feedback by Sunday at the end of the day, the 27th of April. So I'm going to open this up on Monday, the 28th, and we'll have felt like we got everybody's feedback that had a chance to give feedback. This will then allow us to ask a second set of questions, which are, what would be best suited for patient simulation, which we now call human simulations? What would be best for a website tool? What would be best for a handheld, patient-facing, provider-facing free app? What would be best for some other kind of training like mentoring? Just let us know these things as well. But most important here, do these concepts seem important enough? Are they right? Do they hook together correctly? What would you add? What would you strike? Thanks again. Really appreciate you.